Welcome. This is the 3D animation of how a two-stroke dirt bike engine works. A two-stroke engine is the simplest and fastest moving engine because it only has one piston. To break down how the dirt bike works, you first need energy, or in our case, gasoline. The gasoline is held in the gas tank. A small amount of gasoline is primed from the gas tank and enters the boot. When the gas is in the boot, the small amount of gasoline is pressurized, making it more flammable. Once this happens, the bike is ready to be started. In order to start the first cycle of the engine, you need to kick the kickstart, which is located on the lower left side of the bike. By kicking the kickstart down, you rotate the rotator once, which pulls down the piston and creates a vacuum in the piston chamber. The vacuum pulls the pressurized gas from the boot through the intake. It then enters the piston chamber. As the rotator spins, it pushes the piston back up and pressurizes the gasoline further, until the top of the piston hits the spark plug. The piston hitting the spark plug ignites the gasoline and powers the piston back down. As the piston travels down, the used gasoline gets pushed out through the exhaust of the bike. This process starts the bike, which is now in neutral. When in neutral, it means that the rotator is spinning freely and the bike isn't moving. In order to get the bike moving, we need to put the bike in gear. On the left handlebar is the clutch of the bike. When pulled, it pushes the gears up into the gear basket, which prevents them from meshing with the rotator gear. You then have to click the shifter located next to the kickstart, which engages the first gear. As you slowly let go of the clutch, you also start to twist the gas. This meshes the first gear with the rotator gear, which in turn starts spinning the chain connected to the back wheel. The bike is now in first gear and moving. This is the basic process of how a two-stroke engine works. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.